Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So we're in the middle of doing a flat toe on a 2024 Ford Escape. And what I wanted to talk about was part of the procedure is to go ahead and remove the rear tail lights. So in the instructions, there was nothing on there about, hey, having to remove the whole quarter panel and rear bumper of this unit. So we ended up finding some other videos online, also contacted Ford, and they said no, in order to access the taillights, which pop into like these two holes, they're actually clipped in place on the actual rear quarter panel. So as you can see, the whole rear quarter panel on both sides had to get removed and the lower bumper. So if you ever run into this, you also have to take loose a bunch of the clips on the sides as well. Here's basically that whole rear clip in order to detach for the taillights. So the taillights are actually up in this area on the quarter panels on both sides. And in order to get those off, you got to be able to go ahead and remove this whole section to get those taillights out. So anyway, stay tuned for more. But it's something that you never know until you get into it. Again, it didn't say anything on the instructions about having to do that. So we ended up having to track it down and find it out on our own, as well as contacting the customer to say, hey, it's going to take additional time to go ahead and remove all that versus just actually taking out a section of the light itself. So, all right, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, RV Specialist.